Well, is this actually the end of Lyft forever? We're going to talk about that in today's video. Welcome back to the show, everyone. My name's Dylan. I'm so happy you came here. This is super important. We're actually going to talk about the reality of what's going on with Lyft behind closed doors that nobody is addressing. Before I get started, I want to thank our sponsor of today's video, Current. Current is a mobile banking app I have right here on my phone. When you sign up, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or gig worker, they're gonna help you get paid up to 2 days faster. They're paying Uber and Lyft drivers 2 days faster. You can sign up and have no fees on overdraft, up to 200 bucks. You can start earning 4% APY. As you can see here, I put in some money, I put in $100. I'm starting to earn interest on it. And I just to test it out, make sure it's working, I got 100 bucks and 35 cents. So it's growing slowly but surely. Check it out down below, and yeah, you can sign up through Current into your Uber account, Lyft account, so you can start earning extra money. It's great. And now let's get started, my friends. So the rising cost of gas is impacting Lyft drivers, Uber drivers, and other car services. Listen to this. Whether it's Uber, Lyft, or any kind of car service, gas prices are impacting bottom lines of businesses, and it's forcing those companies to pass on rising prices onto customers or find another job. So many drivers are quitting, so many drivers are leaving, even executives within the company are leaving themselves. Fieldhouse, who is the president of Pegasus Global, said the company has more than 40 vehicles. They provide transportation services, has chosen between raising prices or losing money. He said, oh, it was terrible. It really impacts your bottom lines. Our employees aren't going to work for free. Are Lyft drivers just going to work for free? That's really the question you have to say. You know, gas prices are so high. When you're driving for Lyft, you're pretty much making no profit right now. Unless you're using a rental car or driving a Tesla, your profits are really slim. 55 cents surcharge doing, 80-mile rides, that ain't much. We knew we were probably headed for a fuel surcharge, but we waited like everybody else did in our industry. We waited and tried to not pass that on, but when the price got up to over $4 a gallon, we couldn't help it. We had to incorporate a fuel surcharge. People who drive for Uber or Lyft or companies like Instacart are also feeling the fuel prices. An Instacart driver said, I've gotten several emails about Uber and want me to do Uber, and it's sad because Uber and Instacart works good for me because I can set my own hours and I can work appointments around that, but I can't even afford to do that. It's too high. Can you imagine any time that you were people saying, I can't afford to work? How does that make any sense? Shouldn't you be getting paid to work? Shouldn't Uber be paying for gas? Uber be providing the vehicle? How is this correct where you have people right now in a recession, they're saying, I can't afford to work? What does it sound like where you have to pay to work? Almost sounds like a scam, almost sounds like a pyramid scheme. Oh, you gotta pay to sign up, you gotta pay, you gotta get a car, you gotta buy a $20,000 car, oh, you gotta pay for your gas, you gotta pay for wear and tear in your car, and you gotta pay for depreciation, and then we'll pay you money. I don't think drivers are putting up with this. And on July 4th, there's going to be a strike. Drivers are going to be striking. And I don't think it's going to look good. I think this time, Uber and Lyft, they have to step up or could potentially be the end of Uber and Lyft. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. And again, check out Current down below. Get paid up to 2 days faster. No fees, no account minimums. You can sign up, get a free debit card using my link below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.